Let's go ahead and we're going to jump over to up next. We got Athemia's shop. So let's go ahead and check it out. But let's, and we got that one right there. Okay, perfect. Mine would be 260 a day. You must have a lot more products, Athemia. Yeah, if you've got a lot of products, you can't exactly do it the same way. So that doesn't always work. And I wouldn't say so for in your situation, you've definitely got a whole bunch of products here. So in your situation, I wouldn't necessarily, you could still renew some of your best listings, but one of the things you could do is go in and renew maybe just like 10 listings or 5 listings or 20 listings. Obviously, you don't have to do that across your whole entire shop. So, all right, you have got a serious deal shop here, Mia's Sweets Emporium. And that's exactly what I was thinking, Deborah. I was thinking, wow, that's a lot of inventory. 1,277 items and 15,000 sales. So good job, Athemia. Congratulations. Maybe the ones for the particular season. I need a logo. So yeah, I'm curious of what it is that you would kind of like help with specifically, because you've got so much going on in your shop. You've got great reviews here, 3,085 reviews. That's fantastic. Good reviews on quality, shipping, and customer service. And let's scroll down here. For the love of parties and cake, of course. Wow, I like it. So you've built out a wonderful shop here, put together a nice shop foundation, your shipping details, your policies, your about section, all sorts of stuff. I love that. So let's see here. I sell baking supplies and baked goods. I would like to build the baking sales. Okay, the baking sales. It's a good place to start. So if we look at baking, so is it all baking supplies, or do you actually sell like baked goods? I'm trying to see. Personalized favor items. Is this the actual? Okay, the cookies. Okay, I see these here. Easter platter cookies, decorated Easter cookies, Easter treat table, Easter hostess gift package as shown, ready to set out. All right, so we've got it all here. Happy Easter. Yeah, that looks really nice. Very cute cookies, and they all fit together perfectly, really nicely. And there we go. We got a little size chart. Very nice. Happy Easter. And so let's see here. Package as shown, ready to set out. Okay, so that's the details right there. Let's see here. These beautiful decorated sugar cookies make a wonderful favor. Last day to order cookies for Easter is Sunday, 4/10. By 3 p.m., we will be baking cookies Sunday and decorating for mailing on Monday. Okay. Yeah, so $22 shipping, $50 there. Month of the event, March, April, Easter event start date. Oh, that's interesting. That's a smart way to do the dates right there. So what could you do to improve these? I would say one of the big things would be renewals. And then if you're trying to overall increase your cookie sales, so I see you've got all sorts of cookies for events and for dates, and I think that's probably the way to go, because that's usually when somebody's going to buy, special occasion cookies. And you've got, First Communion. So more events. I think you've hit a pretty good number right here, and you definitely seem like the events. Engagement cookies, Santa cookies, 1 dozen fire truck cookies, Valentine's Day cookies. You are trying it all over here. 1 dozen baby boy with pacifier cookies. Very cute. Valentine's Day. Okay, so one of the things I think that you could definitely, on some of them, the pictures are so busy that it's hard to see what's going on. So, for example, like these Valentine's Day ones are really, really, really busy. Like this image is just a lot of red, and from this image, it's hard for me to kind of make out what it is. Whereas if you compare like this little baby onesie, this one looks great, right? You can really see clearly, and the Santa cookies are really clear to see. So I'd say that's important to keep together. If you're going to do like a whole big fancy package with all of this stuff, maybe a simpler, just I think a white background photo across the board would have been, better to have all together. So that would be nice to see right there. And painters, palettes. So another thing, all of your packages they're pretty big. And when you put the whole cost together, $70 for cookies and then $22 cost to ship, like that's it seems pretty I'm not a cookie baker, so I don't know, but it seems a little like it's more for the high end market. And I don't, if you go look up your competition, let's just do like Valentine's Day sweets basket. If you can put together products that are also going to fit people with a lower budget, that would definitely help you increase your sales overall. But if we got right here 50 and 22, that's $70 for the Easter cookies. And then there's definitely people that are putting together packages that are a little bit more affordable. So maybe if you can put together a smaller package or some things like that, that's going to help you reach a much larger audience. Because you can see right here, obviously these ones are not exactly the same as yours. It's not the same size or quality. And yours definitely seems like it's got a lot to it. But if you can put together a few to go for a smaller range, that would be helpful as well. Easter platter cookies, decorated Easter cookies. Reading your keywords there. April 7th. All in all, though, I think it's pretty solid. I think some of these photos could be improved a little bit as well. So one thing you could do for, like these ones here, instead, I like how you've done like these cookies, you've only got 3. And I'm able to get a good preview of those 3. And in this one here, a lot of these are duplicates as well. So I think you only really need to show one of each. So one of the doves, one of the Bibles, one of the little quote, the boy, the hands, instead of showing the whole platter, because then you would be able to get that photo much bigger and it would really fill out stronger. So you can clearly see like this example of Peppa Pig. Those ones really stand out more clearly because they're just a lot closer. And same with the Santa Claus ones. And then I don't think these ones in the packaging, I don't like these ones too much from this point perspective. I do like this photo. I think it's an important photo to have. But from that perspective, I think it's just a little bit too close up. So I think putting the first photo not in the packaging would probably be better. But